Wall Street's main indexes ended sharply lower on Friday, with the Dow dropping 1.7%, the S&P 500 shedding nearly 2%, and the Nasdaq nosediving 2.7%. Inflation and tariff worries were compounded by more downbeat consumer sentiment data, explains Kevin Nicholson, Global Fixed Income Chief Investment Officer at Riverfront Investment Group.
Stocks are down today largely because of the tariff situation that we have going on, and you combine that with a University of Michigan consumer confidence survey that came out that showed that inflation expectations have risen both in the short term and in the long term. From a 1 year perspective, expectations are for inflation to be at 5%. And when we look out 5 years, the expectations are for inflation to be 4.1%. Now, that 5 year number is as high as it's been in 32 years. And so that has the market a bit spooked.
Friday marked the Nasdaq debut of CoreWeave, an AI infrastructure company backed by NVIDIA. Shares opened nearly 3% below their offer price and ended the session flat. CoreWeave's week debut could crush hopes of a meaningful recovery in stock market listings, especially as equity markets grapple with tariff-related turmoil. NVIDIA closed lower, as did Apple, Amazon, and the rest of the Magnificent Seven stocks. Auto stocks fell for a second day, with General Motors and Ford losing ground, weighed by President Trump's 25% tariff on auto imports set to begin next week. And shares of Lululemon Athletica plunged 14% after the sportswear maker lowered its annual forecasts, citing unpredictability around tariffs. Mining companies provided a bright spot, with Harmony Gold rallying 9.5% and Gold Fields climbing 4.5% as gold prices continued to climb due to trade war concerns.